To delete our Google account permanently, we first have to navigate to the top right corner where you see this profile icon and tap on it. Then on this interface, proceed to tap on manage your Google account, and then with this selected, allow it a bit of moment to finish loading, and this will redirect you to an interface like this with a bunch of menus. Proceed to swipe left until you locate data and privacy and tap on it, and then with this selected, continue to scroll down until you locate delete your Google account, and then proceed to tap on it, and this will redirect you to an interface like this where you will be required to verify. After verifying, allow it a bit of moment to finish loading, and you'll be prompted that you should read this carefully. So continue to scroll down and make sure you tick this box, and then continue to scroll down again, and then proceed to tick this couple of boxes. Then after that, continue to tap on delete account, and that is it. You have successfully deleted your Google account permanently. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.